good guys, for today's video we are going to learn how to do calçots. Calçots is it a typical food from Catalonia. It's a kind of onion, and for do this we need to start a fire on the barbecue. We need the calçots, that this we need the Romesco sauce. Is a sauce especially did for the calçots. Maybe in a future video I'll show you how to do Romesco. This time I just bought. We need a newspaper or a magazine, and then a tile, and also one dish to put the sauce. Let's see how we do calçots. Very good guys. To cook properly the calçots we need flames. To have flames we will use little sticks like this. We place it around the whole barbecue like this, and when the flames are high we start to put the calçots. Let's see. Flames are high now. Now we can put the calçots in the fire like this. And now with this tool we can place them in place properly. Okay, very good. Okay. We wait until they get black, they get burned. Let's see. Before that we have to turn them. Okay, let's turn them one by one. Okay, now the calçots are all turned, and we have to wait until they get burned the other face. Let's see. Very good. They are ready to be removed, so we start to remove them and put them in the paper, in the tail, like this. Okay, let's remove them all. Okay, now we close the paper like this, and we put the other tile here, so they have to remain like this for 20-15 minutes to them get properly cooked. Let's wait. Okay, now we put the sauce in the plate like this. Okay, very good. Okay guys, let's open this. Let's see if they are ready. Okay, still very hot. Let's grab this one, for instance. First thing we have to do is to remove the skin. To remove the skin, we grab it like here with the pincers, and let's do like this. We press. Okay, now it's ready to put in the sauce. Okay, let's put it in the sauce like this. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Delicious. See you in next video.